I stopped in previous task about tasks with priorities here. So I designed class task which should implements interface comparable and for tasks implements comparable. And what I need to do here is I need to implement a method generate over implement method compare. Okay, so compare to tasks other and return integer, compare this priority and other priority. And I also implemented get task and get priority, and let's override to string. No, maybe not necessary to do it right now. And oh, sorry, task 1, tasks. Do I have something in main here? No, nothing. So system process tasks and by priorities. Okay, so let's test it. It's tasks. Yes, tasks. Task. What did I do here? Actually, I can't understand. So if task, while tasks not empty, I assigned pick. Do I really need to pick task here? Yes. So pick get task to be processed and task pool. Okay, let's check it. Task 1 and priority 1. Actually, task is a new task. No, it's not what I am going to do. So yes, I created private static priority queue tasks, and I didn't initialize it, right? So let's initialize it in static block tasks as a new priority queue. Okay, and here so tasks, and let's add offer new tasks 1 and 1, and one more task, task 2 and priority 2. Not here, here. And what I'm going to do next, and next protected static void. Let's call process task and see what happens. So actually it's correct. I added 2 tasks with priority 1 and with priority 2. Actually I can test it another way, so I can add task with priority 3 first and then task with priority 2, and let's check it. Yes, so it's correct because we only print task name here. So first I program processed task number 2 with priority 2 and then task number 1 with priority 3. So it's ready, and next task is managing friends. It's kind of social networks, and I need to store connections, one to many in social network. Social network. Actually, when in previous task, when I designed how to manage this task, I suggested to use graph, and here I am going to use not graph itself, but maybe something like a hash map where key will be a user and the value will be hash set. It's the simplest solution. So each user can have a lot of friends, a lot of unique friends, and that's it. Private static hash map. And string. Actually, I think in ideal graph, first, key also can be an object, user, complex object, but I am going to use just string name here. And the value will be hash set of strings. Let's call it friends. Okay, let's initialize it. Static friends as a new hash map. And let me try to maybe create method for adding friend. So let's make it private and static again, and void add friend and friend, and let's use string here. So friends, put no, actually okay, let's start from create user private static void create user, and going to take strict name as an argument, and here friends put name and now salt for let's print it out. Friends for each key value salt key plus space plus value, and friend string name and string for friend. It's kind of friend request. So let's put name and actually let me take a look on methods for map, maybe put arrange arrays. Let me try this way as list friend. What's wrong here? Yes, that's it. And let's try to print it out. Friends for each key value space plus value. Not sure it will print it in a nice way. So let's create user Olga, and let's add empty string and add friend Andrei, actually Olga, and let's say Andrei. Okay, let's check it out. Because to hash set. Hash set string. Can I use this collections? And all. Maps method tset value. So what maps methods we have here? Put contains value is empty, key set values, entry set. Let's try it another way. So first I'll create hash map here, a hash set string f as a new hash set, and f add friend. Okay, so it will be name and f. Oh, looks like it worked. Great. And let's add another. Add friend and actually let's make hash set class variable private static hash set string f, and and let's initialize it here. New hash set, so f add friend and friends put sorted. It's better. Okay, so it works. Let's go to the next task. Next task is ordered list of numbers sorted, and the task is to find min and max values. I think I need a tree map here. Let's create new sorted numbers. And let's create public static, not actually tree map, tree set of integers. Let's name tree, and I need static block to initialize it. Sorry. It's my dog and my husband, actually.
Я пробудил Кракена?
Да, он идет к тебе. So actually, I don't need to think about sorting numbers here because it's a tree. And I think I can find max and minimum using built-in methods. Okay, let's add 3, add 1, and 3, add 45, and 3, add -3, and 3. Get first, and it's a, let's call it integer min, and let's assign 3 get first for it, and integer max 3 get last, and let's print them out. So min is and plus min and plus max is and let's concatenate it with max value. It's act braces. So min is 3 and max is 45, as expected. And the next task is a task to manage, to store visits of users. So system should track unique visits of websites and count amount. As far as I understand, I need to count amount of unique visits for per page. I think the most suitable data structure here is a map. Name page visit tracking. So let's create a map here, hash map, and I think key will be string, it's like a page, and the value can be integer, and visits. And as usual, let's initialize our map. Visits are a new hash map. So let's create method to add to track visits. Private static void track page visit, and we take string page here as argument, and the method is simple or put or replace. So first, if actually visits, if we have nice method put if absent, and so if we don't have this page visit in our map, we add page and as a key, right, oh, actually page, and I add 1 as value, or h page. And if visit contains contains key page, I think we can use replace here, and so it will be page. No, not right. First, let's create a variable integer count, and let's assign it's get and assign value. So how many counts we have so far, and so we replace our previous map entry with new entry with the same page, and we increase count. I can do it in this nice way. And let's test it. Main. So first let's add several. Okay. Page 1 and page 2, and one more time page 1, and let's print it out. So visits for each key and value print let's print page and plus key and plus was visited plus value plus times. Okay, let's run. Looks like it doesn't work as expected. So put if absent. Okay, and so if visit if we already have this entity integer count, we assign value to count and I replace a page with count plus 1. Okay. Okay, now let's debug it. Okay. So static members, yes, I had hash map with 0 sides. Let's go. So page 1. One and key 1 and value so 1. Maybe I need if. Actually, I think maybe this way. Anyway, let's check. Let's proceed with initial variant. So page 1, page 1, y1, y. Page 2. That's correct. Just good. And the next one. Something strange happened here. Okay, let's check one more time. So replace updates value if key exists. Count. Visits get page. Let's make it if and else. Visits put if absent. Let's try this out. Same result. Okay. Put. Let's try this one. Still there. So what can be wrong here? Actually I need to compare by hash, I think. Maybe. Actually it's mistake somewhere. So I am asking ChatGPT. Yes, I count blah plus returns current value. So actually here let's make it count plus plus and count. Actually it was exact my idea of what was wrong. Yeah. So next task, number 9. It's a user actions history. Doc, it's the last or maybe 1 or 2 tasks, okay? So I need to store list of last actions, and also I need 5 minutes. I need to implement and so program should be able to cancel last action or repeat. Actually I just designed exact the same program for array DQ. So let's repeat this. Okay. user actions. And so yes, I'm going to use array deq here. Private static void private static, not void, of course. Array deq string actions, and let's initialize it. Actions new array deq, and so so this array deq should act like stack. So I need method to remove last action, and also I need to be able to repeat this action, so I need to store last action and repeat, and also I need to add new action, and I think it's all. So first private static void, let's start from add action, string actions, push, I think, yes, push action, string action, not actions. Okay, and the next one, private static void remove last action. I don't need arguments here, and I think I also need another variable, private static string last removed last action, and let's initialize it here as now. So remove last action, actions, poll, or not poll, I think pop, and also last action, actions pick. So first I store last action to variable last action, and then I remove last action. But in case I need to repeat this action, private static void repeat last action. Also, I don't need an argument here because I stored last action here, and actions push last action. And I think that's all. So actions, oh, no, I hold on, add action, add action. Let's pretend it's something like editor. Correct. And add action, delete. And so let's remove last action, repeat last action, and let's print it. Actions for each system out print. So, and here and here and let's add empty line to help us analyze results. So I added add, correct and delete and printed them out. Okay, and then I removed last action. It correct add or first, and then I repeat this action. And the last one for today is a phone book structure. Phone book, phone book structure. I think just phone book, it's enough. I think it's quite obvious that map is more suitable data structure here. Riot, static map, and names and numbers. So it should be a string and integer, and let's import map here. Phone book, and let's initialize it. Static phone book as new hash map. So I need to store, so I need a method for adding and a method for find by key, by name. Let's create. And add contact, string name and integer phone. So phone book, put name and phone. And also I need to find private static void find contact by name. So I take name as argument here and phone book Contains value and reset equals actually get name, and let's print it out. And okay, let's make it simple. Name plus okay, integer number, and let's assign plus number and plus some empty space. Okay, phone book. No, add contact. Ivan and 111. And add contact. Igor and 222. And find contact. Igor. And let's check. So yes, that's it. That's all for now.